and welcome back to Rescue Me from My Distracted Life. We're up at the cottage this week. I'm going to show you we started the demolition, but only a little bit, and it took a lot more than what we thought. I've got a couple of wee projects for the cottage. I bought two of these for £4 out of the charity shop. Because Giovanni loves ships. He absolutely adores sailing ships. But I don't like the frame. It looks a bit plasticky, a wee bit too brown, so I'm going to antique it. There, can you see? I'm going to antique that. And put a little bit of crackle glaze on and try to make it look older. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, if you could please share, like and subscribe, that would be fantastic and I'd be most grateful. Enjoy the video.
Break down all the lights, let me hold you close. I'm full of loose ends, will you be my rope? Waited my whole life, and now I know. After the preview, we only get one life. start. My love won't budge. My love won't fade after the preview. We only get one life. I won't live mine without you. Calm or stormy, I'll stay solid when you're distant. I'll keep falling. My love will follow through.
I'll get that shot. Yep. You okay? I'll get that shot. Alright, come on. Right there. That's one.
Have you got gloves in there for me?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll get some on.
This fell off the steps.
I don't know. Sun coming in.
Yeah.
I'm going to get some lovely light in here. So the changes to this are very subtle. Giovanni came in and said he liked the frame the way it was. I was going to put crackle glaze here, but he wants it just matte finish. So I will just put some wax on that, and I'll compare it to the other one. As I say, it's very subtle. This is now gold. It's now gold. This part here, painted that gold. And instead of that plastic, and it looks like plastic, plastic brown. It's now black. And these don't look as bad for some reason. Because I hadn't liked this part. But it doesn't look as bad as what it does in the brown. It just looks a bit old-fashioned in the brown. The black makes it look more up-to-date. This is teasel. And my son-in-law grew those for me. And I'm going to lift out that dead rose. I think this is actually just a sucker that I've lifted. I'm going to lift this out, and I'm going to place the teasel in there. That's my jobs for today. The sun's come out, but it's still a bit chilly. And then my little peas are coming up. I'll have to water them. It's amazing how dry everything gets, even though it's been non-stop rain for months. Pears are beginning to set fruits. Let me see. See if I can find a good one. That looks pretty good. This one here. So there, as I say, they're beginning to set fruit, which is brilliant. I don't think I'll get all these. I don't think I'll get all these. A great little pear tree. So I had asked Giovanni to look after my lupins. I'll explain what was in the title. And he promptly forgot all about them. We had a couple of cold snaps, and when there's cold snaps I move them around the house. But Giovanni's doesn't do that, because he's not used to it. It's not his thing, I don't think. Not indoor plants anyway. And he would consider them the indoor plants because they're indoor just now. So by way of an apology, he bought me tumbling toms and hanging basket. Tumbling toms are exactly what they say they are. They're tomatoes that tumble over the edge of things. So I'm going to put them in hanging baskets. I'm just going to put 2 in each pot. Look at the root system on that. And I'm going to give them to him to look after at the school allotment. Well, he won't be looking after them. These kids. We'll see. I wonder if I should set these upright or set them like a trailing plant. It's a bit dry, I'll give it a good drink. Obviously I can't keep these outside, so they'll have to go into the polytunnel. And he'll probably look after these better because they're actually food and not something that's just pretty. These.